There are a few names in the pages of history that do not belong to one religion alone but stand as the protectors of all humanity. Among those sacred names shines brightly Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, the ninth Guru of the Sikh faith who dedicated his entire life to truth, courage and defense of humanity. प्रगट पए गुरु तेग बहादुर सगल शिष्ट पे ढापी चादर. These divine words from the court poet of Guru Gobind Singh Ji remind us forever that Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was not only the protector of Sikhs but the savior of all humankind. History remembers him as Hind Di Chadar, the shield of India. For with his supreme sacrifice, he covered the entire nation and the world under his protecting blessings. On 1st April year 1621, on the sacred land of Amritsar, was born Tyag Mal Ji, the youngest son of Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji, who would one day become Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji. From early childhood, he was calm, thoughtful, and fearless. Trained in the horsemanship, archery, and swordsmanship, yet his mind always remained immersed in the devotion, meditation, and the remembrance of God. In the year 1664, when the responsibility of leadership of the Sikh Panth came to him, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji gave his followers a timeless message to walk the path of truth, service, and fearlessness. He spread the message of faith, courage, and human values far beyond Punjab, across Uttar Pradesh, Bengal, Bihar, Assam, and into the northeastern regions of India. Then came the time when the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb began his reign of cruel dictatorship. The Hindus of Kashmir were being forced to convert to Islam against their will. Their cry for help reached the holy feet of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Without hesitation, he declared, "If my sacrifice can protect the faith and freedom of humanity, then I gladly offer my life." The year was 1675. The place was Chandni Chowk, Delhi. A fearful silence filled the air, shadowed by oppression and injustice. Aurangzeb's command echoed, "Abandon your faith or prepare to die." Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji stood fearless and said, "My head is ready to fall for the truth and faith, but no power can break my spirit." With him stood his three devoted Sikhs, Bhai Mati Das Ji, Bhai Sati Das Ji, and Bhai Dayala Ji. Bhai Mati Das Ji was bound between wooden planks and sawn alive, his body split in two, but on his lips till the last breath he recited Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Bhai Sati Das Ji was wrapped in cotton and burnt alive in the flames. The fire raged, yet his face shone with the divine peace and prayer. Bhai Dayala Ji was thrown into a cauldron of boiling water. Steam rose, but his tongue continued to utter Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. And then came that soul-stirring moment. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was martyred, the sword in action, and the sacred head fell on the earth. History witnessed a Guru who gave his life not for his own faith but to defend the right of others to follow theirs. Even today, the Gurdwara Seesganj Sahib in Chandni Chowk, Delhi stands as an eternal witness to that sacrifice. Every brick and every wall whispers, "Taram het saaka jinitiya, sees diya par sir na diya." Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and his three companions taught us to stand by truth even if the whole world stands against you. Faith is not merely a ritual of worship, but the protection of every individual's dignity and freedom. As we remember this immortal sacrifice today, our hearts ask, are we as truthful, fearless, and devoted as they were? This year we are remembering the 350th martyrdom anniversary of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. 3.5 centuries have passed, yet his spirit of sacrifice burns just as bright. This documentary is not merely a narration, it is a solemn pledge that we shall never forget his martyrdom. Let us today take this vow to live truthfully, to serve selflessly, and to forever proclaim तेरा किया मीठा लागे हर नाम पदारथ नानक मांगे। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।